Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy bhindi kai sabji, only way. Begin by preparing firm okra, washing and fully drying each pod, then slice into uniform pieces. Sear on medium heat to reduce slime and set aside. Sauté onions until golden, add tomatoes and spices, then return okra to simmer gently until flavors meld and oil separates for a glossy, finished gravy. Gather your ingredients and organize them for a smooth cook. Use fresh okra, ripe tomatoes, medium onions, and a couple of green chilies for heat. Measure turmeric, coriander, cumin, and amchur so the tang is balanced. Heat oil, brown onions well for sweetness, then build the gravy with tomatoes and spices. Add the okra back in and simmer until the flavors marry and the gravy is glossy and thick. Mastering technique makes this the only way to perfect gravy bhindi. Drying okra and giving it a quick sear reduces slime and improves bite. Slow-cooked onions and tomatoes create a deep, balanced gravy that coats each piece well. When you combine everything, simmer gently so the spices infuse without overcooking the okra. Finish with a final taste adjustment and a quick garnish of cilantro for freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.